Trenching in Electrical Bid Manager is available in actually 3 different places. We can take it off in the site module under wire and conduit. We can take it off in feeders. There's also a standalone module to take it off under the other takeoff to just go in and do the trenching by itself. We're going to do this video under the site module. If you use the site or the feeder module, you can also take off the related conduit and fittings and wire that go in the underground part of the job for the trenching. I'm going to put in a length of 200 feet here. I'm going to change the conduit size to 4-inch. And I'm going to put in some pole line. And I'm going to put in 3 elbows. I'll use the long radius elbows. And now I'm ready to go to the trench tab. In trenching, we need to do a minimum of 2 things. We need to dig the ditch, either with a backhoe or a trencher, and we also need to backfill and compact it. That's all under select items. We're going to go to trenching and excavation. We'll go to backhoe, and let's select 24 inches wide by 48 inches deep. Now it puts the length in automatically from the length we entered over here to the left. For the backfill and compaction, we just go back twice. Now instead of selecting the same dimensions here, I'm going to only go to 36 inches deep because I'm also going to add in 12 inches of concrete. Again, it puts the length in automatically. For the concrete, we just go back once. There's a folder here for concrete, sand, and backfill. I'm going to pick concrete, and we'll do 3,000 pound. Now it prompts you for the dimensions here so it can calculate the cubic yardage. So I'll put 200 feet long, 2 feet wide, and 1 foot deep, and then it gives us the cubic yardage here of 14.81. Finally, I'm also going to put in some tracer tape. Just go back once. There's tracer tape. And again, it puts the length in automatically. When we're ready to finish the takeoff here, we close this window, hit F2 takeoff, and it records the entry down here on the bottom part of the screen. Now for the trenching, it doesn't include any material costs. It just gives us the labor down here to dig the ditch and then backfill and compact it. That concludes the trenching help video.